family. Okay, so for Christmas, I am going to be making my chicken pasta salad. I know chicken pasta salad usually same old stuff. However, mine's a little bit different. Let me show you my ingredients. First, obviously, you will need some chicken. It was frozen, so I figured I would go ahead and get it thawing out. It's finally thawed, so I'll be getting that out in a second. Italian vinaigrette, but this is the only thing I could find. So, but it's great for marinating. For the record, this is not a sponsored video. None of the products are sponsored. Whatever. Next, you'll need not one, not two, but 3 peppers. Different colors is what I do. This one refuses to stand up. But whatever. Oh, there we go. But you can use orange if you want. You know, instead of one of these colors. But I just use those. And lastly, it wouldn't be pasta salad without the bow tie pasta. Or, you know, whichever pasta you like. My favorite pasta, and the one to use with this recipe, is the bow tie pasta. Now, first things first is you have to clean, well, first you gotta open the chicken and then clean it. Now, after I get done with that, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the chicken all washed because nobody wants to get sick, right? And I made sure to wash my hands after I cleaned the chicken because, like I said, ain't nobody got time for all that sickness stuff. Okay, so next we need to cut the chicken. Now for this part, I just used just a little paper plate. Because who wants to do more dishes than they have to? However, to cut it, I'm going to need something just a little bit more. Okay. Now, I used the paper plate like I said, but now for this part, I've got to use this one. We're going to take the chicken that's now dry and cut it into small pieces. Okay, so I have all my meat done. I've washed my hands again. Then put it in the fridge overnight. Or for like 8 hours, whichever. Okay, so today I have some help. Alyssa and Makai. Today, the kids are going to help me have to boil and fix all of this and fry what I marinated last night. You guys saw me put it in the fridge. And it is marinated. My grandpa thinks I've lost my mind. Because I guess because I'm cooking corn. But, here's, remember that chicken I cut up and put the sauce in? Yep, there it is. Looks kind of gross, but I promise it's good. You gotta fry that, get the pasta ready, and cut up all of those peppers. You guys ready? Yeah. I lost the helper, but that's okay. I have Kyle. Alright, go ahead and put, there's bleach in that, so use this over here, put some hot water in it. I'll do it.
Got bleach in that.
That's what I told him. Putting hot water in here, obviously, because that's how you get oil water started.
Yeah. Wow.
Now, spray it over here. Thank you, baby. And put that on high. I'm going to have my cameraman here. help me because I have to cook the chicken. Now, let me get this on. We don't want it to be too hot, but we don't want it to be too cold, so I'd say about medium high. First oil goes in, and then we have to wait for it to heat up. Now, we'll be back when the saw gets heated. While all that's going down, I guess we could be cutting these up.
No, Alyssa, they're not hot.
These aren't spicy peppers, love.
They're just peppers.
Yeah, these are just bell peppers.
Yeah.
I have no idea what that or that is, but this
Oh, those
is
are our
what
bags from Santa. Those are the things we got from Santa.
Okay.
Don't ask me. I separated it. Okay, we're going red.
Thank you, love. You see it? Yeah.
Okay.
Now, first, I cut this little thing out. And I'm going to show Mikhail how to do it because he loves to cook like me. So, we get this part here out and toss it. And you can see all the guts in there. They gotta go. So, let's cut it down the middle.
Remember, there's a sticker on it.
Yeah. As you can see, Mikhail and he's helping me washing them out, and we've got them cut down the middle. Got all these guts out.
The chicken smells good.
Now we're going to
Throw them away.
throw the guts away. No evidence, no crime, right? Now we've got to cut all these peppers up, and I'm going to show Kai here how to do it. That way he can be doing this while I do the chicken. What you have to do is
Be careful first.
safety is number one priority.
Come on, let it. Why take me that and turn that up? Ready
Yes.
Christmas thing at
Slice it.
church, then went to come on, lay down on the couch,
And start slicing it up.
get clothes on and wore over to Stephanie's. And Haley's in her church, took the baby over, baby's over. That's
See
the
what I'm
best
doing?
play in wood.
And even smaller if you'd like.
Yeah, she told me. I tried to call you today, you wouldn't answer it.
I answered it and it disconnected and I thought you just done it by accident.
No, I was worried about you.
Now for Kai's job.
No, I answered it and I
I'm going to wash my hands.
just done it by accident. I thought, I'll be back.
I figured you was sleeping.
No, I was sitting up to you last night.
When I called you, you was sleeping, I'd be asleep.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, I know.
I know, I played Lord, man. That was the effort to let this time. Of course, I'm not the Lord.
He's doing that. Okay, these are almost ready to boil.
Good enough, Sliver?
Yeah.
Green
And
Bay box.
this chicken is ready to go in as well.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
now for as much as I'm going to make for everybody, I am going to put the entire box of the bow tie pasta into the pan.
We haven't done anything yet except boil water.
Yeah, how much crap would you do that?
Okay.
Alyssa, I got something you can do.
Yep.
Pour pour this in there.
Put both ribbons on.
All of it.
Just dump it in there.
No, slowly. Good.
Okay.
I know that's what I need to do.
Keep going.
Was
that too fast?
No, you're doing just fine, baby.
Try and bring her packages in there though, and Stephanie and all of them. Make mine look shiny.
Is there any more?
I'm kidding.
Can I have this stuffed one?
Yeah. Alright, so we got that in there.
Look at the bow tie.
So I am going to get a big spoon.
Bow tie noodle.
Awesome. Now I've got a big spoon.
Yeah, they're over
Spoon.
Yeah.
You can get it mixed up. Missed the sticker. Uh-oh. Get it off. Now,
I don't want to taste that.
I got it.
Yeah,
Make these stickers where they cannot like.
there we go. Now, while I'm doing that, I have to put in the chicken.
Whoever was off the bed and I kept putting it back
Tonight,
on this.
Lisa can take her own cover and you can take her.
She's like,
You go at our house.
Yeah. Okay. After this is done, we got this going. I put all that in there, put the lid on it, turned it to a medium heat, and Kai is doing great with the peppers. Thank you, Makai.
welcome.
So that's just a little update. You have to pour all the chicken, marinade and all into there, or it does not end up very well.
Grease starts popping everywhere.
Grease, you know, you can ask him. Grease pops everywhere. And if you have it up too high, it burns really quickly. Okay, but I'll be back with another update. Okay, so I've got the pasta out, and then once the peppers are done and the chicken, once the chicken's done, you put the peppers into the chicken, turn your heat down low, and let the peppers get a little softer because you don't want really hard peppers in there. So you guys don't have to if you want the hard peppers, but I want kind of softer cooked peppers, so I put it down like that for a few minutes after I mix it all in together. And see how colorful and pretty that is? Yes, yes, yes. And just mix it all in together.
She did. She's the only one that
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
And then, after you get it all mixed in there, if you are like me, you also want to just put a little bit of salt in there. And let that marinate a little bit. Put the lid on a low heat like I said. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes. Okay, so I've got all the pasta in the bowl. And I let this just simmer for a few minutes. But now, mix it all in.
I know it. It's supposed to rain a little bit Saturday. Just enough to make it nasty. You better get that turkey out.
That mixed in. But that's not all that you do. You also, you have to put in more of this.
What is that? Huh?
Make sure to shake it. Balsamic vinaigrette. Make sure to shake it. Shake it for you.
Just one thing then another. Well.
Oh, and it smells so good, I think.
Yeah.
Perhaps looking at it like I've lost my mind. It's okay.
Yeah.
Huh?
Looking at it like that. I want
Good.
Me
Take them, man.
And this has one more ingredient to go. Ready?
Yeah.
See how pretty that is with all the different colors? That's what's with all the peppers packed. Here we go. And all you do, sprinkle some cheese on top.
That's all we gotta do. Tanya and them coming.
See, I can cook. That's my chicken pasta salad. It is done.
Yes.
It's just hard. Ain't getting that quick, I
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Smells amazing.
They're getting the plates ready. That's when you know you've done a good job, when they're getting the plates ready and the bowls and stuff. Let's go eat. I'm excited. I haven't had this in a while. Honest opinion?
Amazing.
Honest opinion.
It's pretty good.
Honest opinion?
It's good too.
Oh, yeah.
So really good. Chicken was amazing.
Yeah.
Awesome. I haven't tried mine yet.
This color's right.
Well, I had them cook in with the chicken there at the end. Alright.
When you put like noodle, pepper, and chicken in one bite.
She didn't tell me, or Brandy didn't tell me even one. But I think she found out. I think she found out. Mother's intuition.
Good job, Brad.
Amazing. I'm gonna go eat. Out of that big bowl, that's all that's left. It was a success. Yay!